Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a inbox review on the Boeing B-17g Flying Fortress from Airfix, and it's 1/72 scale. The kit number is A08017 and dimensions are nowhere to be found. Oh yeah, okay, so the length is 320, the width is 438, and there are 245 pieces. And there are two decal options, and the decals are from Cartograph, which is always good. So on the box you've just got the standard Airfix box. Sides you've got some pictures of the model. Again, your usual Airfix, just information on the two squadrons, two ones, and the colours you'll need, and some information on the B-17 now. And on the back you've just got your Airfix club stuff. So in the box we have instructions. So usually start off with the instructions and decals. So first of all, instructions. The new Airfix ones with the in colour, and then you've got on this side you've got your information on your aircraft in your different languages, and then you've got your specifications. There we go. Next page, you've got your safety information and assembly icons. Then you've got your step by step. So you've got your cockpit there, seats going together with your control yokes and pedals and throttles and whatnot. And you've got your walls going in. You've got fuselage. Your cockpit section going into the fuselage. I'll skip the page. Yeah, I'll skip the page. So you've got your cockpit here, and your bombs attaching to your inside your bomb bay, and that goes to the cockpit. Then you've got your cockpit going into fuselage, and your little bits and pieces here. The seats. Next page, you've got your, I think that's the belly gunner going underneath, and fuselage going together with your rudder. Here you've got your engine nacelles on the wings, engines going in, and your flaps and stabilisers, not stabilisers. And you got your wings, two wing halves going together, and all your engines as well. You've got your wings going on to the fuselage. All the engine parts, you've got your rudders, stabilisers at the back, and you've got all of your parts to your engine here. Got your engine cowlings and everything. Wheels here, standard up and down wheels. Bomb bay again, and tail gunner. That's the final page. Then you've got, what's this? Okay, what is it? You've got your stencil markings, and you've got your two colour options here. So two decal options, instructions. And you've got your cartograph decals there. Feel quite thick, but shouldn't be a problem. Cartograph decals are always good anyway. Nice, good colour quality on those. So, yeah. See instructions. In the bag, got all of these sprues. So first one, you've got your two fuselage halves. Really nice standard Airfix plastic, and inside you've got all your detail, which is really nice too. No flash on that one. Here you've got all your guns there, and your walls, cockpit walls. Horrible ejector pin marks on those, which is a bit of a downside. Again, really nice. Next one, you've got your engine parts. Nice detail on the radial engines. Your landing gear struts there. Again, nice detail on those. And you've got your wheels, which have the tyre markings on, and they are weighted as well. Next one, you've got your props there, and just all of the prop pieces, and you've got, not sure what these parts are, I think it's just parts to your engine again. Again, really nice. Next one, horizontal stabilizers and flaps. So really nice. Looks like it's, I think it was canvas that they used. You can see like the beams in the stabilizers. Again, nice clear panel lines. Oh, and you've got some nice rivets as well on there. Extra detail. Next one, you've got your Bombay doors here. Really, really nice raised detail on there. And you've got one of your cockpit walls with the beams going off that connect to the wings, a bit like the Lancaster. And then you've got your bombs up there. Are they bombs? Yeah, I think they are. Final two pieces, you've got your wings, and really just nice Airfix, the usual new tool Airfix. There. And you've got your two rudder halves. And the final piece, you've got just the underside there. So, sprue's really nice. Cut it far enough down. Now you've got your glass pieces, which are really, really nice. Really nice and shiny and clear. It's just like glass. There. So no flash on them at all. Just lots of, I'm not sure what these are called. These, but not flash, they're just where the injection has been moulded on. So really nice cockpit detail, I mean glass. So that is about it for the kit wise. It's just the new tool Airfix really, they're all worth a buy if you want to go and pick up one. Now I picked up this specific one for £31. So for a kit with that much detail, I'd highly recommend it. It's a skill level 3, so I'd probably recommend it to more intermediate modelers, but if you're a beginner you can have a go at that as well. It should be quite easy, but you should have to take your time because of all the detail and parts that are in there. So yeah, I'd say this one's worth a pick up from the model shop, and I know there is a Revell one as well. I'll have to have a look at that one as well. So I'm not sure what this is like compared to the Revell version, but yeah, probably two quite nice kits. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.